Ciao ragazzi, bentornati in un nuovo video del canale. Stavolta siamo su Combat 7 di nuovo. Faremo la missione 2 e 3 della campagna. Spero che questa serie la serie di Combat vi piaccia, anche se come video ne ho fatti di più visualizzati, però spero che vi piaccia. Comunque,
right after the declaration was made, surprise attacks began around the continent that have inflicted major damage to our armed forces. Forces aligned with Erusia are currently appearing throughout Usia. The combination of these forces has overwhelmed the majority of the continent, and they are now encroaching on us in the east. Additionally, the multinational space elevator has been seized by the Erusian military. After the previous war, the space elevator became both a symbol of peace and a valuable asset in the fight against growing energy concerns. Whoever has control of it will have enormous influence over the entire continent. We cannot turn a blind eye to this critical situation. The Fort Gray's Air Base Squadron has been entered into the order of battle to reclaim the elevator as an advance element. First, you will attack all hostiles coming in the east of Schofield Plateau to stop any interference with the Allied ground troops. The enemy has deployed several vehicles equipped with anti-air radar along the roads. You are to destroy them. They should not pose much of a threat. However, there is a high likelihood that the attack will draw more enemy air support. If that happens, fight them off swiftly and establish air superiority.
Ok. Sì, stavolta sono tanti. Però, come dire, per esperienza di solito dice no, c'è quello, poi colpo di scena ne arrivano 40.000. Charge the enemy, carica il nemico.
Current target is on rails, but there's still military vehicles and anti-air weaponry. Destroy the target. But HQ has made it clear that no harm should come to civilians and no damage is to be done to public facilities.
But, any aircraft shot down could land in civilian territory.
No point arguing. That's how war is these days.
Do you have visual on the anti-air radar vehicles? They should be close.
Yep.
Vehicle down.
Intersect! Fire the AA! Get the radar vehicle out of there! It's popping off now, Trigger. The war has officially begun.
Sì, l'ho già detto.
Destroyed! We're going for the radar car! They've got their anti-air guns aimed right at us. Accelerate! Being attacked by enemy aircraft! We're using the containers now. Those weapons are meant for tactical flexibility. Request a position for the vehicle. We can't wait any longer. We need interceptors now.
Target destroyed. 3 to go. Continue to engage at your discretion.
Dai, era la lunetta.
Enemy interceptors inbound. Prepare to engage in 30 seconds.
We'll go. Here they come. Take them down. Okay, recruits. Pay attention to who's on what side. The newest IFF is connected to our entire force via satellites. It's reliable, so trust your radars. Trigger, there's one more to go.
Ci sono anche altri aerei.
That was the last radar
Ci
vehicle.
sono
Great
solo
work.
io.
Radar vehicles destroyed, but the interceptor shows no sign of retreating. Take it out. Continue with the mission. Crush as many as you can.
Top Gun.
The clouds don't just affect your field of vision. They also mess with your HUD and radar. The Seekers can sometimes lose their lock onto their targets too.
Enemy transports are taxiing.
No, they're not linked to the radar vehicles. Launch manually. Redo the setup.
Ready to attack.
back with those floor merchants? Write your manuals in a language we can understand.
Page 2, missile away.
Fire into your gun. Now!
All right, this base is worth destroying.
Keep your mind focused.
5 targets remaining.
All
Distruggi.
transports have
Cos'è?
been destroyed. Look, what were they carrying?
Cos'è quell'esplosione? Cosa trasportava quello? Aspetta, un'esplosione così. È un Helios! Quell'esplosione era di un Helios.
Enemies locked on. Missile inbound. Evade.
Voi non sapete ancora che cos'è un Helios. Magari forse lo sapete perché avete visto altre
Lower 1, enemy will crash in a residential area.
Just worry about staying alive for now.
4 targets remaining.
Sì, lo sapete.
Missile away.
Se non lo sapete, sono dei missili
Three targets
imitazione
remaining.
dell'Arsenal Bird
Dodge.
che li può sparare a distanza fuori dall'area delle missioni. Praticamente appare un cerchiolino sul radar e quello la zona dove se ci sei dentro, morto.
UAVs ready to launch.
Tutto morto ed è morto il tizio. Oh vabbè, dettagli. Nah, li odio io via.
What happened? Status report.
Multiple bogies on radar. They're close.
Wait, they're being
Un
launched.
saggio youtuber diceva sempre, per io
You're clear to
venire è
engage. They're
meglio
probably
che
hostile.
curare.
Judging by the way they look and move,
Stavolta non
they
è
gotta be
proprio niente.
drones. Well spotted, clown. No doubt about it,
Ma
we're dealing with
dove devo
UAVs. But
curare?
that doesn't change a thing. Just think of them as somewhat clever decoys. Take them all down. These drones have great agility. All aircraft. You know what high G turns are, right? Use them.
Watch out. The enemy has a
HQ,
lockout.
this is Golem 1. Bandits confirmed as UAVs. Repeat, bandits are drones.
Oh, di console si
Golem 1, that
distruggono
doesn't
in
matter.
un
Destroy
colpo.
all enemy fighters and get out. It doesn't matter? He's saying the war can change in an instant. Get over it. Yeah, I just wish they'd give us a bit more warning. Missile in the air, evade now!
Shit! I got an enemy in front of me and behind me.
I've got him in my sights.
No, missile te non mi pigli.
Target is in range of guns.
Enemy UAV confirmed destroyed. Hell yeah. Golem Squadron,
Scusate,
you're
ogni
not gonna let
tanto
Mage get all the glory, are ya?
Three enemies to go.
Nella
I'm buying
console
dinner for anyone who takes down an enemy.
devo far pausa
There's a bar I want to try.
You're doing
perché
good.
sennò non riesco a vederle, però
Just 2 more.
in realtà ci metterei 30 anni, però ve li taglio.
Mage 1 launching missile.
Crap! The aircraft is icing up. I'm getting a warning.
Get out of the clouds, the ice will melt.
Missile launched.
Cosa
Don't try to read their
che
own radar.
One to
non
go.
mi
Let's get through this without any
piace
casualties.
come dire che il personaggio principale, cioè il protagonista, cioè noi, non parla, cioè parla solo alla fine,
Stay sharp while you're in the clouds.
ma in tutte le altre parti, da
The
vecchio,
enemy
in
knows a
tutte
few
le
moves,
altre
but that's
parti
about
no.
it. Just chase them down and pull the trigger.
Nice kill, Trigger. Enemy aircraft
Perché
confirmed down.
spoilerò le cose?
The skies are clear. Nice work, everyone. Mission complete. RTB.
Ma sì, dai, mi sono pure
No
inventato
casualties. We couldn't
che
have
ho
done any
finito
better.
sconda.
Returning to base.
I don't know. Maybe the bandits we took down caused civilian casualties.
No point arguing. That's how war is these days.
Yeah, sparo missili a caso, chi ne prenda,
The guys in
chi
charge
ne
take care of the
prenda più
rest.
muoia. Qualcuno prende un missile, lo offro io.
You've given us air superiority by destroying their radar. The first barrier keeping us from retaking the space elevator is gone. Now is the...
La prima. Adesso lo dici. Ora lo dici la prima. Asso di bronzo. Faccia di bronzo. MiG 29 a Falcon, ma se neanche ce l'ho. Perché sbaglio missione? Velocity air to air missile. Missili aerei. Sì, gioco, manco il tempo di leggere. Two-pronged strategy.
The surprise attacks carried out after the declaration of war saw the peacekeeping forces of various countries, including Osea, suffer major damage.
Sì.
The ships moored around the space elevator and near Gandar Bay have been hit particularly hard. Numerous ships have been sunk and abandoned. Fortunately, our cutting-edge aircraft carrier Kestrel II was at sea, so it was spared from the attack. Kestrel II is now preparing to launch another attack against Erusia's capital, Farbanti. The aircraft carrier Vulture also managed to
la
escape Gandar Bay
famosissima
safely.
Farbanti, che se chiedi ad
However, it lost
Alexa
all
di
its
metterti a
aircraft, so it's
colonna
sailing
sonora
empty.
di Scombat,
Today,
ti
the
metti
International
quella di
Union
Farbanti,
Peacekeeping Force
Battle
reclaims
for
its bid to the space
Farbanti.
elevator.
Wow.
The Fort Gray's Island Air Base Squadron will rendezvous with the carrier Vulture for a joint mission. The first objective will be to seize air superiority in Schoppenberg in order to secure a route for the support squadron. The enemy maintains air superiority over Schoppenberg, so expect heavy resistance from enemy aircraft. There's more, so listen carefully. Right from the start of the war, the enemy has been deploying drones. They're using a new advanced type of drone. The unmanned airborne aircraft carrier Arsenal carries this new drone, MQ-101. The Osean Army headed up the development of the massive Arsenal birds and dispatched them to the space elevator to provide support. However, it's been reported that the carriers may have fallen into the hands of the Erusian forces. If that's true, it could be a significant obstacle for us. We need to regain control of the space elevator ASAP. Good luck out there.
Ciuccio, mi dispiace, ma sono due gli Arsenal Bird. Ho solo nemici in aria stavolta, mi conso.
Mage Squadron, aircraft preparations complete.
Cioè no, in queste missioni era la squadriglia Spar. Poi era, dopo un po' era Strider. Chiunque stesse guardando sto video deve sapere che il primo video della campagna che abbiamo iniziata mi sono confusa, mi sono dimenticato che sono stato che il protagonista è stato in due
Refueling initiated. Maintain your current position.
Rifornimento. Ciccio, ti prego, dimmi. Sì, sono già allineato, basta andare avanti. Bello l'F16 a fianco. La la la. E quelli in alto a destra. La la la.
50 meters.
Sì, 30 anni dopo. 40 anni dopo.
Excellent work, Trigger.
50 miliardi di anni dopo. 2 secondi dopo, un aereo si bugga. Adesso esplode il motore.
Mage Squadron, this is the situation. Gollum and the other base's squadrons already joined forces and are engaged. You guys will arrive right in the middle of the action. Mage Squadron, eliminate all bandits in the current airspace. We have the upper hand, but that doesn't mean we can ease up. Good luck.
Mage 1, Wilco.
Oh, Ciccio, perché stai davanti? Ti sparo.
Mage 1 to Gollum 1, thank you,
Con
lucky
solo anche
stars.
lui
Looking good,
all'F16.
Mage Squadron. Keep up that pressure. Trigger, time to show the other guys that we can wet wild and do dirty, dirty things. Once you hit one of them, stick to him like glue. Don't let him out of your sights, even in the clouds. And so, your first hunting season begins.
Where'd he go?
Un F4. Non so manco cos'è, non l'ho mai sentito nominare. Ma vabbè. Signore nemico, aspettere. Sto stallo. Signor nemico, aspetterei. Io l'ho odiato lo stallo, c'erano volte che stavo per completare la missione, è andato in stallo l'aereo e sono morto, devo rifarla da capo perché non ci sono certo.
If you can't evade a missile, use chaff and flares. Your fingers should still move, even if you're in a 9G turn.
4 remaining.
Questo non lo sapevo. Eh? Acquistato.
Fox 2.
Non so un F16, no! Perché devo distruggere un F16? Perché? Ma dai, il gioco li odia gli F16 solo in un colpo.
Our radar shows no sign of bandits. You're in the clear.
I haven't even broken a sweat.
Indovina.
Missile incoming! Evade! Break! Break!
What the hell?
Yeah, l'Arsenal
Large
Bird.
aircraft is approaching. All aircraft, stay alert.
Ho indovinato. No, li odio quelli.
We just learned neutralizing the arsenal bird. Those bastards. They had that thing combat ready this whole time.
Enemy has a radar lock.
Trivello.
Just waiting for mission command.
Break, now!
We'll live through this, Trigger.
It's fast as hell.
These guys are definitely a step above the last
Lo
drones.
vedo.
These guys won't go easy.
All aircraft, no change in game plan.
3 missili.
Destroy the arsenal bird.
Missione raggiunta.
Golem Squadron, take out Big Baby Huey.
Quanti missili? Ma quanti missili non me lo dici?
Golem 2, let's maintain up.
Scusate se copio di
H2, missile launch. Damn. Skeleton 1 lost. Skeleton 2, take over command.
Gargoyle Squadron, this is Gargoyle 1. Skeleton Squadron needs help. The hell are we supposed to do? Shut down.
Status?
Verifying the situation.
I can't get a lock.
No, quel cerchio non promette bene. Io mi allontano.
This is Golem 3, Golem 2's hit. Status report.
Ah,
Shit, Golem 2, do you copy?
This is Golem 2. Instruments still appear to be functioning okay.
Enemy's too fast, I can't keep up.
Skeleton 3, break.
come faccio a non colpirlo un lentone?
We lost another friendly.
Skeleton 3's lost.
Coming. What's the plan?
Where's that report? Continue to maintain air superiority.
HQ, what's happening?
Skykeeper, I repeat, maintain air superiority.
How'd that happen?
E come facciamo?
What the hell? Caution. All aircraft, stay alert.
No,
Get out of there.
cos'è quel cerchio nel radar?
I'm breaking it up.
Non è che ho
Skeleton
visto
2 lost.
Shit. Recon incoming.
Dai,
Skeleton Squadron is down. Had too many losses.
Si può distruggere.
All squadrons, command has ordered a complete withdrawal. Leave the operation area immediately.
Brilliant observation. They knew this earlier, more of us would have survived to hear it.
Save your chatter for the debriefing. Golem and Mage Squadron, give our allies some time to escape.
Wilco, but Golem 2's hit. Gotta send her back. Let's get dirty, Trigger.
Shoot down those UAVs. Don't let them touch any friendlies.
Golem 2, head back to base.
Gargoyle 1, escort Golem 2.
Continuing the mission. Still got my wings. Trigger doesn't need to fill in for me. I'm back and
You won't make any difference up here. Get back to base and cool your head.
Copy that.
Ecco,
Returning home.
dimmi che lo distruggo. Come faccio? Ero di coda.
Breaking. I can't get them off.
Yowza. Missed. That a boy, Mage 2. Just keep firing.
This is where we lost.
He's mine.
Retreating aircraft, leave the AO. Allies will hold off pursuit. Golem Squadron, Mage Squadron, hang in there and come back safe.
That's it, Trigger. They're machines. Don't show them any mercy.
Fox 2. Mage 2, UAV down.
Questi che sono li abbatto.
Mage Squadron, you're going toe-to-toe with the UAVs. Good work.
Mazza
Bandit destroyed.
i tavoli.
More UAVs spotted. Gargoyle Squadron, they might cut off your retreat.
Cioè,
Not on my watch.
sì, sono fatti apposta per essere
Status is
lì.
fine. Affirmative.
This is Gargoyle 1.
Sì, poi per avere situazioni.
Retreating aircrafts, prepare for combat. It's a bogey. Gargoyle 1, Golem 2, engage now. Attack.
One advantage. SU-30.
Gargoyle 1. Caution! Missile!
Fast.
C'è
Skykeeper.
signorina
Gargoyle 1 lost.
impaurita.
What the hell? Golem 2, status report. Just talk to me.
I'm against an SU-30. wingtips. I
Yeah,
can't shake it
abbiamo la
off. It's
signorina
matching me move for
impaurita,
move.
quella
Golem 2,
tranquillizza.
stop
Io no.
dogfighting and run.
Mage 2, UAV down. Keep it up, buddy.
Force raised
Sì,
aircraft. We'll look to
mentre
take it easy next
scarichi.
time.
I'm dead meat. I don't get it. Why isn't it opening fire? I'm scared. I'm scared.
This is not good. Brownie, break off. This is getting a little tight.
Forse quella
Column and Maze Squadron, help us!
Get those UAVs off of France.
Let Column and Maze Squadron handle it. They'll pull through.
Get your asses out.
Hell of a good job, Mage 2. We want as many guys out here as possible.
I'm grateful you're around.
Golem 2, what's your status? Status report.
He's a predator. The weak and eaten.
Golem 2, get a hold of yourself.
deboli
Golem 2, get away from the enemy.
io mi
Mage 2,
mangio colazione.
support!
Ah, ero io.
Somebody!
È morta, yeah, morta. The Long Gamer non la troverebbe, ma me che
Column 2, lost.
Shit. Skykeeper, where's the one that got Brownie?
Afraid he's long gone by now.
così
Sorry.
però un fastidio in meno nella squadra.
The Maze Squadron still have their
Condoglianze.
hotshot. Just
Condoglianze.
might make it out. Don't look back, just have faith. Column and Maze, we owe you a debt. And we'll pay it.
All UAVs have been splashed.
I said what I had to say. About what? Not a girl who'd retreat. Just not in her DNA.
Ah, come il DNA
That was the right
di-
decision at the time. No, I should have never let a fledgling like her out of my reach to begin with.
Dai.
Golem Squadron, Mage Squadron, withdraw.
Adesso esco dall'area della missione e perdo. No, missione compiuta. Oh, per una volta. Adesso nel 2 abbiamo disattivato gli studi. Stranamente, molto stranamente, gli aerei ritornano dopo essere stati distrutti. Ma vabbè, dettagli. E boh, se ne va.
Page 2, we have you on radar. You are cleared for